Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Kadam and today's my video topic is the Spring MVC. So I'm going to explain what is the Spring, and what is the MVC. So I'm going to explain this topic briefly. So it is a technical topic which is related to Java Spring Boot, and it is a very important topic. If you want to do Java full stack, then Spring Boot is a very important aspect for the Java developing. It is considered as a full stack element, so which is used to develop the full architecture web application. So Spring Boot is a very important for developing the web application. So let's discuss about the what is the Spring MVC. So what is the MVC? First we discuss what is the Spring. So what is the Spring Boot? Spring Boot, it is a framework which is provided by the Java, which is used to develop the web application rapidly. It has a predefined methods and the libraries which elaborate and which help to develop the application very fastly. We don't have to write the full code. We can access the methods as well as the predefined code, and with the help of that we can generate the web application fastly. So this is our information about the Spring Boot. Spring Boot have multiple modules and multiple generations. So Spring Boot, the latest Spring Boot have too much facilities provided by the Java, and it is a very Spring Boot is used by the too many user for the developing web application, and it is used by the many it is used for the many website application. So let's discuss about what is the MVC. So MVC is known as the model view control. So what is the MVC? MVC is a architecture which is link the connection between the front end and the back end and the database. So it is a very important aspect. It is a very important as aspect of the developing the web application. So let's discuss about the MVC. So MVC is known as the MVC, model view control. So what is the model? So first discuss about the model. Model is the connection between the database and the controller. So when we want to give some instruction or give some if we want require some information, then we have to pass the command or we have to pass the request. That request goes to the controller, and controller provide that request to the module. So module check the request and get the full data, or which we want data from the SQL or the server, and fetch that data to the return to the controller, and controller provide that data when that data received by the controller that provide data to the model view panel, and after that data come to the user. So that's how the architecture works. So model is the very important aspect as in the architecture of the MVC. Model is the middleman we can consider as. So it is a middleman which is help the join the controller and the database. So that's how model is a very important. Model is used to fetch the data from the database. Then view. So view is nothing but the front end. In view sector or panel, there are the code which is written in HTML, CSS, Angular. So it is used to show the data to the user. So when we fetch the data from the database, it is a tabular form. So we cannot provide that data as same as the we fetch. So for that, providing the good data, so it can be efficient, or it can be seen in a structure format. So that's why we use the view panel. With the help of the view panel, we can provide that data in a particular way, and structure way to the user, so it can be helpful for them. And the last one is the controller. So controller is the important function or the important feature in the MVC. So that's all information about the Spring MVC. Thank you.